Thokozane, this is NkosazaneRobin. Thokozane bogogo, Thokozane bomkhulu. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Thokozane. I hope ni right. I hope maphupha yafezeka bogogo nabomkhulu. I hope you guys are growing spiritually. I hope where benistake khona you guys managed to to pass that level. I hope you've managed to pass that level. I hope at least to a stage lesinye you guys are killing it. Yeah. So the topic le ngifuna ukukhuluma ngayo ijulile kakhulu, ijulile Nkosi yami, ijulile. It's yeah. Okay, so lo moya lengifuna ukukhuluma ngawo today, moya lo a lot of people want, a lot of people can kill for lo moya lona. So yeah. Okay, so khuluma ngani, siya continue about Inzunza. Inzunza, it's a broad topic, moya nje lo broad way. Sometimes it's even beyond our own understandings, like angeke sofisise to the fullest, because mkhulu kakhulu bogogo nabomkhulu ngazuhlanye chasing things that are beyond your understanding, beyond you, so be careful. Okay, Inzunza moya lo ingcwele, moya lo mkhulu kakhulu. So if you know ukuthi unenzunza, umuntu lo yenda tinto tendakale, umuntu lenda tinto tendakale, ukhuluma tinto tendakale. You speak things to life. You speak things to life, like they come alive when you talk. They come alive when you speak. You understand? Now nenzunza ubusekile lokuthini, even if there's someone suffering near wena, maybe a friend uthi ngamsebenzi, just you saying kuthini ungawari utowuthola. Within a day or that very same day, that person can receive a call saying ukuthi umtholile emsebenzi, just because wena ukhulumile kwabanjalo ngenxa yani yalo moya lo ukumbethe, ngenxa walo moya lo kumbethe bogogo nabomkhulu. So lo moya lona umkhulu kakhulu. If unalo moya lona, thandaza, because now moya lona you'll end up being a prophetess, you'll end up being a bishop, like utoba mkhulu, but most of the time like uba church based. You understand? You uba nesondo lakho liba likhulu, because nalo moya lo kumbethe mkhulu. So lo moya lona kakhulu usenda kakhulu ngelibhayibheli, usenda ngemthandazo, usebenza ngemandi. Tihlahla it's ngathini okay, tihlahla makhambi, like it's not something that you need to focus kakhulu kuto, because most of the time now this moya unimadloti as well. So uthola ukuthi madloti ayawusebenzisa lo muthi, but lo moya lona usebenzisa mandi. Lo moya lona doesn't mind ukuthi usebenzise muthi, but lo muthi wakho fanele ube muthi lo njani, lo khanyako, muthi lo mhlophe, impande lemhlophe. And then ungadweli kakhulu tuke muthi. Most of the time when you're helping people, you make sure ukuthi ubathandazela ngemandi, usebenzisa mandi, usebenzisa tiwasho. Even you yourself, if una lo moya lona, most of the time fanele focus kakhulu kusebenzisa tiwasho to cleanse yourself, tiwasho for phalaza. And then mandi kakhulu. Now even now thandaza, make sure ukuthi there's a glass of water now thandaza, in order for you to connect. If uphahla, make sure that there's a glass of water, cause lo moya lona kakhulu nala madloti lo hamba nawo, now hamba nalo moya lona madloti most of the time asemandini, so there's that connection. So you make sure to water awasali, awasali. In everything that you do, make sure that there is water. They say that in English, but as collab. There's water. If you don't understand, there's water there. There must be water. So yeah. So now no moya lona. Now no moya lona. Like ubusisa bandu bayabusiseka. Like naso ungathini naso uvulekile so sebenza so bhobokile kahle kahle. You become like you become so powerful. Like ngathini, even if there's a one what do they call it, a grain of rice, like that small tiny thing, if when you can say this thing must become 10 or 100, it can be so, because lo moya so bhobokile so yasebenza, there's nothing stopping it now. So mind your tongue. No lo moya lona, mind what you say, because you can curse, you can bless. Ungamvalela umuntu without knowing ukuthi umvalele ngenxa yezinto letiphuma emlonyeni wakho. So be careful guys, be careful. Know ukuthi lo moya lona moya wokubusisa, asemoya wokubulala. Awubulali nalo moya lona. You do not kill. You do not have the right to kill anyone. You do not have the right. So stay away from into letimnyama. Stay away from tino nje letibheke eceleni, because lo moya lona nje ubukhali kakhulu and awuvani nezinto letibheke eceleni. I'm gonna go deeper. I'm gonna go deeper. So zani bokhokho, so zani bomkhulu ndawo emakhosi.